Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem NBA League Pass code from NBA 2K25. So what you need to do is simply go to your Google and write down NBA League Pass 2K25 and search. Then just open the first link, NBA League Pass FAQ, and when you come on this website, here you can see there are many Q&As. You can check whatever question you have. If you want to read any of it, go for it. And if you want to buy, simply go to the fourth question here. How do I redeem my 12-month NBA League Pass? Then click on this link either if you are a new subscriber, if you are an existing monthly subscriber or an existing annual subscriber, you can try these links. So I'll click on this one first. And you can also try reading many other questions. There are common questions that are asked by people, so you can try to read them. And then you just need to go to this website and create an account. And if you do have an account, simply sign in and scroll down, and here you see League Pass and League Pass Premium. They both are different. One is premium and one is simple. You can also try monthly if you want to go for monthly pass. This is the simple League Pass and this is League Pass Premium. You can click on try for free, and after that you can see the steps here on this one. Choose League Pass, sign in or create new account, apply your promo code and enter billing information, and that is all you need. So that is a simple process of how to redeem NBA League Pass code from NBA 2K25.